It's hard to believe it, but without any programming knowledge, you can create applications that help you generate your own videos. Yes, from image to video you can create, or create your music, analyze your YouTube video, create whatever come in your mind. These applications actually can build with absolutely zero programming knowledge. And I'm not kidding about this. I was putting in so many different tests and my jaw is dropping out, and I'm a little bit worried because I'm programmer for over 30 years. I done in multiple languages, platform, everything, and this is like set of very talented freelancer programmers for you who work for free. Yes, you hear me correct. That is free, so you can go and try for yourself. Let me show you what I'm speaking about. Well, first I will show you some applications I build in NaN. Be sure you stick to the end. I'll show you how you can build it, because it's kind of few suggestions and tips how you can create even better. So what I've done right here, I create just simple comment says, hey, create this for me, create this application for me. Well, let's put this way right here. You can go online and you pay money for people to generate video. So I says, well, why to do this? Let's Gemini, and this is from the Google AI. Let's them create image for me. So right here you can see I open, because I want to show you just this is a code. It's what created. Yes, if we open, you can see a lot of stuff, but how say we don't care about this. It's coding. What we care about this screen, because this is what created. I just type it words. I says, hey, I want to upload image and I want you to create for me a video. Let's do that. Right here, it's what create. It says upload or drag and drop image. And I will just put this, somebody create this model. It's from Mars Attack. I think it's, you remember those aliens? Yak, 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 yak. So right here. And let's say alien speaking and looking around. Just video description, what I want to do. Let's go to vertical format. By the way, some of this I just specify. I don't put it fields in this position. I just say create in a modern design, and I want field where I uploaded images. I want field where type description. What format I want it, square, vertical, horizontal, depending where you're putting. And if I want speech, and this is actually interesting. Let's add speech. And whatever that was speaking, if you remember, actually I think it's I misspelled even ack. Can you believe this? Okay, so that is what I was speaking, and I will just copy, because if you remember, it's what aliens used to speak there with. Ack. I like them. Okay, now voice. This is also, it says some voices, alien. So you can specify, and how I say, stick there to the end. I'll show you how you can prompt engineer to achieve very good application. Right there, we're done. Let's click generate. You can see it just sent to generate video. It doesn't sounds good, but look right here, it's created, and you heard it actually was speaking. So let me turn down so we don't see, but right there it's generated alien from that image. And you know what, this application was done in matter of like few minutes. You don't need to pay money to go online for some paying some video creation. And it's what they do. They probably go right here, create this application, click this teeny tiny button right there, says deploy to the cloud, deploy their own server, and there you go, charge you money. You can do the same. But look on this, seriously, we just create applications that take image and created our video from image we uploaded. Well, let's go next. I will show you more what they can do. Example. Right here, let's go to music style generator. Let's go to this. So I'm kind of like, you know what? I like to use Suno, create music, but sometimes I have a hard time to describe the style. And I come and it says, hey, create application for me where I can specify or style of the band if I want it, song what I like it. So in this style, not copy, but inspired to this. Or I can go ahead, click and download one. And here, example one, like cyberpunk western I want it, click. By the way, just for fun, I add options and it says, well, I can link to like YouTube video or Spotify music and just same thing. So you can create similar, just add. So easy. You just go right here down below and you says, hey, add for me some like options will do. But anyway, we'll go to this. Let's go right here. So I create this, click generate, and what's doing right now, actually it's build this application, zero coding for me. Look on this, it's done as I'm speaking. It's gone analyze music, and here is music. By the way, I add options so you can click and generate that music from that prompt you created. Yes, you can create video, you can create this music, you can create speak about images. Let me show you next things. Okay, so here's what's happening. I was like, how about if I like Gen Z, you know, yes, I'm geek. It's called Geekatplay for a reason. I like to play D&D, and I'm like, well, what if I create a character based on me? Well, in D&D, you know, you create sheets, and I says, okay, let's ask to do this. Right here, you can see it just downloaded image, so it will analyze the image. Next, well, you can say which one you want, like elf or dwarf. Let's go dwarf. Yes, profession fighter. Who does not like fighter? You know what? Let's go dwarf healer. The horrible healers. Trust me, the dwarves does not have stuff for it, but it's okay. Healer, it'll just, well, a male, because I'm male, so I'll go right here and generate character. So what it actually does, and ask with, again, let me repeat it, I did zero coding. I mean, I can close this one, I can just hide this away, boop, and it will disappear. Oh, I think I click to disable. Let me rerun this again. There you go. Ta-da! And it's done. Actually, I did reformat a little bit so we can look. So I squeeze right here. This is our image created. Remember, I put a dwarf healer. Base it on my photo. It is creating this character. And this is actually a cool character. The reason is why I want on a pedestal 3D, because I can run this through my other applications. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, because that video is coming out. You can see how you can do it. And look at this. I can print actually these characters, well, in 3D. Look at this. It is resin printing. Beautiful. Yes, my face, I did like this. Or you can make like different characters, like right there, character. Okay. From there. It's why I ask. So it's created. Look, it's even have it my head, my face. Awesome. Below, of course, because we need, it's D&D, it's give me all stats, everything. A little bit horrible on formatting, which is okay, because we can ask AI to fix this as well. Just says, hey, your formatting is wrong, and it's already designed. But for now, we'll just leave it here. All feature trade, all in. If you play with D&D, you'll be geeking out of this. It's awesome. And also, it says add save to PDF. It will actually create printable PDF for you, or you can have it with your character. So fun, your face, ideas, and it's creating for you D&D characters. And best of all, be sure you check this when we'll go over this, how you can make even figurines out of this. Awesome. But you know, if you say it's all fun, everything, this is actually can create a real good tool if you are YouTuber, example. Yeah, if you create YouTube videos, you can have it a beautiful tool that help you analysis. So let me show right here. This is, you can see, I asked to create for me YouTube analysis tools. I'll show you what it actually does. But let's start here. This is our program, and let me drag and drop video. Okay, that is my video, and we can click and preview. This is actually video one before that. So you can go check my video. Let me go run analysis. Oh, by the way, this is what I did. Geekatplay. So I says, hey, how this video is relevant to subscribers of my channel. So does it work good? How is great? And trust me, as a creating content for YouTube, you always want to create the best content. It's not always come up with best content, but it's what we're always trying to do. And right here, for example, put it and let's click analyze video. What it does right now, it's actually going retrieve frames per, like frame per second or something like this. So it's compile, analyze this, analyze transcript, do a lot of stuff. It's what AI is best on. Take a lot of data, analyze this data, and give me performance on this video. One thing I need to kind of give you a warning, you cannot download like 3-5 gigabyte videos because it's have a little bit smaller buffer. It's work on the service, everything. So I found it's work very well with about up to 600. Whoa, look right here. What do we have? Okay, let's increase and we can say score 75 out of 100. Okay, the reason is why this video is highly virtual due to the focus. Okay, good. Yeah, it's got 15,000 views, something like this. Okay. Viral shot. Look right here. It's actually I said, and this is what I specify. It says analyze my video and says if I want to create a demo short, tell me. So it's tell me which one is going short. Transcript going, what put it next, suggestion of the title of this video. You don't necessarily need to copy paste, but it's, you know, it's a great idea generator because it is provide for you a very good beginning point and you can go from there. So next, look, it's create thumbnail. Well, not create thumbnail, but tell me what to do with thumbnail. It's also provide video descriptions here. Well, how I said before, don't just copy paste, be sure, but it is based on transcript. It's also created chapters. Okay, create a full transcript of this, SEO tags, viewer retention analysis. So it's tell me when it's I lost you. You know, just for fun, go check this, watch this video and tell me if this is accurate where you lost, where I did lost you. So because it is still 1 minute, 2 minutes at 3:30 minutes. So yeah, just for fun, go watch that other video and let me know where I lost you. And best of all, this is I specially ask because I have a problem. Okay, if you did not notice, I have this slightly accent. Well, it's because English is not my native language. And I use a lot of per-side words, and I ask the AI to analyze and tell me the words that I repeated all the time. That is helping next time look on this and consciously try to avoid them. And one of them, you know, and look, it's right here. See, you know, this also. Oh, this is parasite word. I took this from my brother because I usually don't tell so, but my brother always like so this, so this, so this. So he's like Taylor. And yeah, I took it from him. Just we actually, you know, it kind of cool, but that is what good. It's take all this data statistic, analyzing and help performance, not necessarily video. You can do podcast, you can do your documentation, anything. That is what good about this. Target audience feed, call to actions. I mean, this is gold mine. This is, you'll pay like $30 a month for vidIQ to do less than this done. And this done for free. So yes, you don't need to pay those services to Body, vidIQ, because they service actually perform less, give you information in the video than you do right now here. And this is absolutely free with a zero programming code. It's meaning you can do all by yourself. Just type tell application. But you know what? Let's do by yourself. How I said before, we try it and see. I'm going, how we're going to do, go right here in top what application we want to build. Let's go build this. You know what? We specify, let's build application that, and I never done before. I don't know what will come up because you just right there, you witnesses the history. Okay, take image and create other style of image from that. And now the important, and I know I'm confusing, you know, when I write with my language, I'm like constantly, I don't know how AI even can understand me. But this is what I want to explain. But what I want to do is upload the image, and now I want drop down box with different stylizations. Example, Picasso, Rembrandt, whatever. From that, okay. Add drop down selection. And this is what you need to specify. Now, in your head, when you do, this is hardest part, because you are the project manager. You are right now describing your idea inside your head, what you want to do. And we'll say add drop-down selection with the styles, which it need generate like Picasso, cartoon, Disney, Da Vinci. And I know I'm misspelling. I know it's why we have, you know, this special things to fix our spelling. Yeah, add more from your database, something that will look very interesting. Okay, like this. Yeah, let's go this. Also add option for vertical, square, or images, and save image option. Well, because we need to save, yeah, we're creating. And this is okay if you forget right now, because after we're creating, you can see we can actually add and says, hey, I want to add this option. And it's usually when you start creating that's happening. And actually, in fact, oh, look, I have too many actually words. Now I need to take this video, run to my analyzer, and tell what is my precise words at this time. No, what I was saying, the best way to do this is start with a small shell when it's build main components, and after you can add it. It's how I build very good video game, which I'll show you after this. Hey, don't exit after this. Be sure to wait that I show you how. And this is complex game built 100% with a zero coding here. Well, okay, when we download this, let's click. What is happening right now? Let me explain. This is our code assistance. It's reading, conceptualize. It is have some limitations. One of the biggest limitations, it does not build backend code or database. So whatever you create, you need to think it's what you can run right now. It's good prepare for you if you click right there and deploy it, but it's a little bit more difficult, and it will take some maybe credits sometimes, but for free you can do here, yes. But what does it does not have this backend database. So whatever you're creating, be sure you create something that you can do right now, restart application, not something to store data there. You could, however, reference to other files outside of this environment. And this is how I done with game. I'll show you again. Stick here for sure, because after this we'll look on a game how it was done. And then you'll see how I reference to some data that is not storing here, store on different server. And this way you probably can work. Well, look on this. It is build everything here for us, and it's does it stuff. Just, you know, it's, you can see it's built bunch of files. It's like teeny tiny bunch of programmers, and there you go. We have it done. Okay, let's go right now. Just take our image, and which one image I'll say. Let's go put it this image. My face, style. Whoa, look, it's add bunch of style. Pixel art. I want to do in pixel art. Square. Let's go horizontal. I want horizontal, and we'll go click generate. It's already. We could add more. We can say, hey, how about if I type my own style, or how about if I create this or other stuff. Let's go right here. Look on this. It's analyzing my image, reimagining my art. So this is add by itself. There you go. Did it. Okay. Not necessarily exactly the same. We needed this is kind of fix it, but Picasso. Let's go look, see how Picasso will look. Okay. You saw how long it took it. It's fast. It's creating it just your ideas. Of course, if something does not work, like for example, you can say, hey, images does not resemble exactly the same as in a photo. Like right here, we can go right here and says, let's say styles does not look like what was selected be sure character in the image, yeah, be sure that look same and styles applied. So what's happening here, I'm just going and tell what I don't like it, what I think does not work. Okay, and it's done, and we'll go right here. It's again start thinking, and probably says, oh, you know what, you probably are right. That's what they always do. And it says, let me redo this, and it will rewrite, it's fixing code, and you will take sometimes time. For me, like how say that game that I'm going to show you next, it took me several days because I was polishing. I did this. I was like, this does not work with this properly, or that does not work properly. And by the way, that video game, I even deployed online, and I put a link. I think I have a video when I did this. Problem is, it was become so popular that I took down because I like $100 a day for me was just to run APIs on this. It was, yes, if you deploy it and you do this with other ones, it's cost money. And I was like, wow, a lot of people play. No, I just took it down. It still be there, but okay, see right here, it says, I understand you want to generate image to be there you go, done. Look, as I was chatting with you, it did stuff for me. Let's select style. We go Picasso. Oh, it's more. Huh. Interesting. Let's click generate image. Again, it's generating for us. Okay, that's look a little bit better. Of course, we now on the right side, create like Picasso. And let's go like anime. Maybe let's see. And you know what I forgot? That is what we needed. We need, says, display prompt for me. Yes, because it's a send. What we need to do, it also says, hey, output in a text, what prompt you can do. But you can see how it's going. Yes, you start building, and after, as you start working, you have it. Oh, I want this idea. This is what great about this. This is like your super team, and you can work, and literally you can create anything. Oh, there you go. Yeah, that's look more like anime. So it styles does applied. How say next probably what do? Just add maybe display prompt for me so I can see to select adjust. Anyway, I think this is kind of cool. Well, let's go to show you. Oh, look, I forgot to save. Yeah, it says right here. Yeah, let's save it our file for the future. Okay, and now thank you for sticking and watching this. I will show you this game. This took a little bit longer time, but you can see what you can do because this is a fully functional game. First, look on those images. This is images. They're actually not located here. They're located on different servers. You remember what I told you? This one, however, took me a little bit to specify. I did not program them, but I went there and I says, hey, link these images from this server to there. So, and it's these images was generated. By the way, all of this graphics, everything 100% generated by AI. And what happened here? Oh, my music. I forgot about this. Yes, it's a randomly can generate music for the game. And I want 8-bit. So let's say we have it WOFC here. This is different drivers. It's actually AI drivers. They have a different logic program in them, and all they behave differently. Aggressive, passive. You have your money here. By the way, this is, you can see the sound. You can turn on, off. It's an option there. You have different cars create. Let's go with the wagon, different engines. As we're selecting, you can see adjust power, durability, all of this, and cost, how much money you spend on this. Let's go with the heavy armor. We go with template armor, and there. By the way, I disable multiplayer, but it's built there too. Yes, you can build multiplayer games. It's meaning several people can go and fight, kind of doing with this. I currently disable, but it's come with a like lobby, and you can select what game you can do it. But we'll just continue there. Let's go to here. You can see you have a different type of pits. You can how long it's the reason is how long, because originally it was like long time, and like, no, I want shorter, so you can put a shorter there. How many opponents? They're all custom. Headlines, it's just to tell me algorithm, because I want to debugging and turn on headlights to actually showing me detection, because cars is very interesting. They're not just detecting around, it is programming the car. And this is all right there. I did not code it. I just tell I want car detect up front, more armor, they have a smaller view, less armor can have a bigger view, how they're going. Well, okay, let's do this. Now you can see with 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 6 rivals. So select, and there you go. You can see they start hitting each other. They're driving. This is paddles because it's a middle. They will tell words to each other, scream on each other. And by the way, the tips also have it before in the game if you're doing it. It's a lot of things was added, and best of all, it's creating. And you know what? How good it is. Let me put it this way: free. It took me about a couple of days because I come back and I'm like, I want to add this and this. I tried to do this on different service like Manus. Okay, I paid money to do this, and you know what? Manus is still not yet developed after months. I'm not joking. Every day they give me now, because I'm like, I paid once and I'm like, I don't want to pay anymore. They give me 300 credits every day, and I'm using, and it's taken that long, still not yet make the game. Simple even game, not compared to this. Okay, oh no, racket, time is over. See, I take 4th place. This is how much I earn. This, by the way, in my photo, and we can go back to garage. We earn money and create. That is a full functional game, multiplayer full functional game with the music. See, like right here, even this one, add text, everything. It's fun game, and you can create, you can progress. And by the way, this is multiple levels. Yes, it's have it hiding. So if you're going right there, you can see it's a rookie, and it's progressing hard, more money, more this. So it a lot of stuff built in this game. Zero coding. Well, I hope you see the real power of this new Gemini AI Studio. No, they not sponsor me. They don't pay anything to me. I just found, I think it's a great tool and allowed you to do almost anything that you imagine. This is what called democratizations of the culture to ideas, democratizations of the creations. So instead of having pay money and have huge capital to build applications, you can do for free with AI here. I will drop link down below. Go try. If you don't have it access, try through VPN. I will put a NordVPN link down below. It is affiliate link, probably. So I appreciate if you use this, if you need it. If not, it's fine. But yeah, go ahead, try it. Let me know what you think. And as I showed you before, you can build a lot of different. You can build your image transfer. Yes, you can build your video creation. You can, I don't know, whatever. Maybe in the video I need lip sync next to do just for fun. Why not? Let's try this. But I will try on my own for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe, like, do all the stuff. Help my channel grow with your support. Yeah, I greatly appreciate it. And we'll see you next time. Bye.